Welcome to 2023 Stuff Your Stocking with Wayside Sewing. Glad you could join us. We're here to reveal day one of Stuff Your Stocking. And these are the Gypsy Quilters Wool Mat and Cleaning Tool Kit. And we have the 8.5-inch mat along with the cleaning tool. The cleaning tool has a nice textured surface to it that makes rolling along the top here to clean any thread and debris off your mat and keeping it clean, nice and easy. The mat itself is all recycled wool. It is a nice 1/2 inch thick. It does handle distribution of the weight and the moisture beautifully so that you can get those perfectly pressed seams whether you're using it for top stitching and pressing the seams when you're doing garment work, or whether you're using it for quilter. It's a great addition to any sewing and embroidery, and because embroider upside down, press it, get perfect finishes, as well as garment sewers. These kits come in the 8.5 inch, but we also have an upsized version available in a 13.5 inch. So you can get the wool pressing mat kit in either the regular 8.5 inch or the larger 13.5 inch square, more than doubling your ironing space. Sorry, it's the first one of the years, guys. The day one discount is 15% off, making the 8.5 inch set at $16.14 and the 13.5 inch set at $30.40. Let us know if you'd like one. We'll be happy to go ahead and wrap it and stuff your stocking with you. Merry Christmas.